Hi, Kidstown family. This is Sister Stephanie, and I have a special guest with me today. Hi, everybody. My name's Miss Tracy. Nice to see you.
Today, we're making slingshots just like David did. There are a few materials you will need for this project. You will need a glue stick, scissors, string, popsicle sticks, and an elastic. You will also need to get something that represents rocks. Do not use real rocks. Here we're using rubber pallets. We are using 3 popsicle sticks, so you want to put glue or use your glue stick and put it on the tips of the popsicle stick. You want to connect the sticks together by the ends, making the letter Y. Now, you can use a string or an elastic. First, we'll show you what to do using string. You want to cut the string. To secure it, you want to glue the string down to the ends of the Y shape of the popsicle sticks. Then you will wrap the string around your popsicle stick, probably about 5 times. All right, now if you want to do the elastic method, you just take your elastic and you put it in between the 2 sticks, just like this. And then you can take the plastic pallets and use them for target practice. And that is how you complete a slingshot.
We made slingshots just like David did when he defeated Goliath. So make sure when you play around with your slingshot, do not hit your parents or your sisters or brothers. Again, have fun, and I hope you enjoyed this arts and crafts today. Bye. See you next time.
We have games, activities, and services for children from nursery all the way through 8th grade.